Mike Hughes here. I'm at La Martinique. I'm actually in the French Caribbean. And Jacques, you want to tell us a little bit about diving and the life there?
Well, diving in Martinique is really special because Martinique is an island of diversity, where all divers at all levels find Martinique very accessible.
Okay.
In terms of accessibility, we also have many flights coming from North America with Norwegian, and also American, and also Air Canada, for instance. So Martinique is very accessible, and we would like to highlight the fact that Martinique is endowed with such a diversity, which is amazing for such a small island, that the divers will be amazed by the number of diving spots which are available. And
how many are we talking? Are we talking 100, 50?
Hundreds of diving spots. Yeah, believe me.
Okay.
Which is amazing for such a small island, because Martinique is only 436 square miles, 50 miles long and 20 miles at its widest part, and it's amazing. The dives take place in their majority along the west coast line, because the east coast is on the Atlantic side, so the sea is choppy.
Yeah, you don't like that Atlantic chop.
No. So the sea is as smooth as a mill pond on the Caribbean side. Yeah.
And so that's where they go. Any most popular places and why they stand out?
Well, among these popular places, we have the Diamond Rock.
Okay.
We have the Pearl. It's a rock which looks like the Diamond Rock, but it's smaller in the North North Caribbean. I wish I had a map to show you.
Oh, that's okay.
And we also have what we call Anse d'Anse. Anse, A-N-S-E.
Right.
Is the French word for coves. There are many anses in Martinique.
Do we have to worry about speaking French there?
Not at all, because in most tourist places, English is understood and also spoken.
Perfect.
But of course, as a French island, Martinique, the French is the main language. We also speak Creole, which is a mix-up of European languages and African languages.
Right.
And also...
and that's reflected in the food too, I bet.
Oh, by all means. Martinique is a happy mix-up of several cultures, Carib, African, French, English too, because Martinique was occupied by the English during about 2 short periods. So, for instance, if I say "moi tout" in Creole, it means "me too."
Oh, okay.
For instance, so we have a lot of flavors, which really makes Martinique unique.
Cool.
Yeah.
And now they come there for week packages usually, or?
By all means, our partners, which are on this booth, build up packages with their hotels, because their diving centers are located close to our resorts,
right?
Which is a very good advantage.
Cool.
So they enter in partnership with the hotels and could provide packages. And also we work with, I don't know if I can mention the name of this tour operator. We work with some tour operators from America.
Okay.
And it's very successfully.
Ah, good. And so if they want information from you guys,
by all means,
direct?
Direct.
Okay.
We have an office in New York. Monique is right over there. Well, hi, Monique. And
she's busy.
She's busy. But,
very busy.
But we have an office, a very efficient office in New York.
And our .com would be?
And Martinique.org. Martinique.org. Very simple.
That's easy.
It's a pushover.
All right. Thank you very much.
My pleasure.